Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today really a very fun filled and again another very interesting recipe, Thecha chicken. So come on, let's start friends. First of all, I will be heating this pan. When it is nicely heated, to this I'm going to add, I have taken a non-stick pan, better use a non-stick pan, and here I will be using 2 or 3 cloves of garlic and green chillies. This entirely goes according to your choice, and now I will be dry roasting them. After they acquire a little bit of spots on them, I will be adding 1 spoonful of groundnut, a tablespoonful of large tablespoonful of groundnut. See, these groundnuts are already roasted, that is why I'm adding it later. If your groundnuts are not roasted and they are kacha, then add it initially. And now fry them a little bit again, and this I will be putting in the mixie jar until they are cool, and then I will be starting the next part of this cooking. Friends, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe, and those who are already with me, a lot of thanks to all of them. Now it is nicely done. I will allow it to cool for some time, and this I will be grinding coarsely, not very fine. Now here to this same pan I will be adding 2 teaspoonful of mustard oil. Mustard oil will only go, and here I have added a little bit of shahi garam masala and 1 slit green chilli. When they are done, it starts releasing the aroma. I will be putting 1 large onion thinly sliced. Now when the onions are nice and brown, to this I'm going to add the marinated chicken. The chicken I have marinated with salt and lemon juice. See, it has been grinded nicely now, coarse grinding as I said. Now I was talking about the marination of the chicken. The chicken is marinated for half an hour only with salt and lemon juice, nothing else. Now mix everything very nicely. To this goes the spice. The spices will be the Thecha spice, which I have just now coarsely grounded. Now I will be putting this Thecha and a little bit of water after washing the mixie jar, and then goes a little bit of haldi, turmeric powder, and salt according to your taste. Add the entire salt here. Here we are not going to use any sugar or any sweetening agent. Now goes the turmeric and a little bit of red chili powder. You can use Kashmiri red chili powder also if you cannot tackle the flame. Now fry this very nicely. Mix everything rather together and cover it and cook it on slow flame for 10 minutes, lowest of the flame for 10 minutes. Minutes over, friend. Now I will be opening up the lid. The chicken has released a lot of water and a little bit of oil has also been released. Now to this I will be adding 1 cup of curd, which I have whisked very nicely. Now after adding the curd, again mixing together, here you have to adjust your seasonings. If your seasonings are perfect, no need to add anything. Here my seasonings are perfect. If your seasonings are not perfect, you can add a little bit of salt or chili powder, whatever you feel like. Now this curd has been used to minimize the pungency of the chilies. Now mix everything nicely, and again I will be covering this and cooking it till the chicken is tender and I get my desired consistency. It will take 5 to 7 minutes in medium flame. It's almost done now. It has released the entire oil and the consistency is exactly what I wanted. Like, some people prefer it to be a bit runny or a little bit of gravy they require. So in that case you can add a little bit of lukewarm water and boil it for another 5 minutes. So I want exactly this consistency. To this I'm going to add a little bit of fresh freshly chopped coriander leaves. This you can avoid. If you don't like, you can add parsley also. Now mix everything very nicely, and I will be covering it and giving it a standing time for 5 minutes. Friends, it is not over. Now you have to wait for the final punch of the dish. I will shift this, and here I am going to put one more pan, and I will be heating the pan. To this I am adding 1 teaspoonful of desi ghee or clarified butter. When the butter melts nicely, now to this I am adding few cloves of garlic, 2 or 3 slit green chillies, they are aromatic, and a little bit of onion, say 1 teaspoonful of chopped onion. Now I will be frying them very nicely till they are golden and they are releasing a lovely aroma. Now I will again shift this pan and bring back our initial pan. To this I am going to add this fried onion, green chili and cloves of garlic along with the desi ghee, and this tadka goes wonderful with your thecha chicken. Do try this thecha chicken, friends, with your jeera rice, paratha or tandoori roti or general fulka. You can try it with steamed rice also, steamed hot rice. Now a little bit of coriander leaves just to garnish. You can avoid again that, and your dish is ready to serve. Isn't that interesting dish, friends? Do try it once and let me know how you liked it. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Thanks for watching.